Before opening the door, there are a series of checks that are required to ensure that chlorine is not present. If chlorine gas is present at any point in these checks, perform the emergency procedures. The first check is to ensure that the cylinder is empty by checking the scale system. If the scale registers weight, then the cylinder is not empty. Do not open the door. The second check is the vacuum pressure gauge. If the gauge shows pressure, there is chlorine present and you must not open the door. Slightly open the pressure check valve and use an ammonia wick to ensure there is no chlorine inside the ChlorTainer. Close the pressure check valve after performing this check. The next checks involve the pressure warning devices on the door. Loosen the top pressure warning device and check it with ammonia. Repeat this process with the bottom pressure warning device. After confirming that no chlorine is within the ChlorTainer, we can proceed with opening the door. Next, turn the yoke bolts using the chain drive hand wheel. When the yokes fully clear the closure head, the door may be swung open, giving full access to the inside of the ChlorTainer. When the door is open, turn off the interior gas supply valve by giving the cylinder wrench a sharp rap with the palm of the hand. Draw any residual chlorine out of the interior supply line using the vacuum regulator and disconnect the interior gas supply valve using the ton wrench. Place a golf tee into the yoke adapter to prevent moisture from entering the interior supply line. Place the interior supply line out of the way, making sure not to fold, overflex, or torque the line. Install a cap on the interior gas supply valve, making sure the cap has only one gasket. If you have a fixed loader, detach the drop-down roller section. If you have a movable loader, position the loader into place. Remove the empty ton cylinder from the ChlorTainer using the automatic winch. Now you're ready to load the full cylinder for process.